Welcome guys to the tutorial info channel. In front of me is POCO X7 Pro, and in this video I am going to show you how to link Google Assistant to the power button on this device. Alright, so to do this, firstly we have to open settings. Now we have to scroll down and find this additional settings option. Here we have to open gesture shortcuts, and here we have this launch digital assistant. And now look, here we have this option. Press and hold the power button for half a second, and when we turn it off and hold our power button for half second, here is our assistant. And basically that's it. If you did enjoy this video, leave a like and subscribe. Thank you guys for watching. Bye!